You see the marketing, glowing, smart-enabled kitchens where everything works perfectly. But a major appliance purchase is a 10 to 20-year commitment. Choosing a machine based on a touchscreen alone usually leads to a decade of daily frustration. To find the right fit, you have to navigate the European brand hierarchy. It starts at the entry-level Bosch 100 and 300 series, moves into the mid-tier 500 and 800 models, and peaks at luxury brands like Miele, where the lifespan doubles to 20 years. The Bosch 500 and 800 series represent the market's sweet spot, promising a home that stays quiet while using significantly less power than traditional American machines. We're going to look at the mechanical differences between these two Bosch tiers and identify the specific point where you should stop looking at Bosch entirely and pay the premium for Miele. But first, you have to understand the trade-off. Extreme efficiency is a lifestyle shift. You are trading the convenience of a hands-off machine for a system that requires your active participation. This focus on efficiency was born from necessity. During the 1970s oil crisis, energy scarcity forced European engineers to rethink the basic mechanics of how a household consumed power. At Bosch, this led to the 1976 Tritherm house. It used massive solar arrays and heat pumps to reduce fossil fuel consumption by 90%. That research defined the current Bosch lineup. It's why we now have ventless heat pump dryers that recycle their own heat, and sensor-driven auto-wash cycles that calibrate water usage down to the milliliter. The cost of this conservation is speed. When a machine uses half the electricity of its predecessors, a standard load of dishes can take over 2 hours to complete. Choosing a European machine means prioritizing your utility bill over your schedule. You save money every month, but you pay with your time. This brings us to the choice between the two most popular models, the Bosch 500 series and the 800 series. The 500 series uses pure dry technology. It's efficient, but because it relies on the residual heat of the wash water, it often leaves plastic Tupperware and cups damp when the cycle ends. The 800 series introduces a specialized solution to this plastic drying problem called CrystalDry. This system uses a chamber of zeolite minerals. As they absorb moisture, they heat to 176 degrees, baking your plastics dry. However, CrystalDry is sensitive. If a cup is placed flat, water pools. You must tilt every plastic item. Stepping up to the 800 series guarantees dry plastics, but only if you are willing to manage the loading geometry of every rack. For most buyers, the biggest draw is the 42 decibel noise rating. These machines are nearly silent. Traditional dishwashers are loud because they use a motorized hard food disposer, essentially a small garbage disposal, to grind up waste as it drains. Bosch achieves silence by removing that motor entirely. As you can see here, the vibrating grinder on the left is replaced by a stationary mesh filter cylinder on the right. Without a grinder, the responsibility for removing waste falls to you. Every few months, you have to manually unscrew this filter and scrub it with soapy water to remove the grease and particles it caught. If you ignore this chore, the filter clogs. This leads to foul odors, stagnant water, and eventually a total system shutdown. Once debris blocks the drain pump impeller, the machine locks you out with an E18 or E25 error code, requiring a manual teardown to clear. Whisper-quiet operation remains a permanent trade. The machine provides the silence, but you provide the manual labor to keep the drainage system clear. Because these machines are packed with sensors, a simple mechanical jam can trigger complex faults like a motor error or a leak sensor alert. It's tempting to try a DIY fix or hire a handyman, but prying into these circuit boards is a massive financial risk. Bosch's warranty terms are remarkably strict regarding unauthorized service. You only have 365 days of full protection, and any attempt at a self-performed repair instantly renders that warranty null and void. When you buy a machine this complex, you are signing up for a closed ecosystem. You lose the ability to maintain it yourself, tying you permanently to authorized service networks. So, which tier actually fits your home? Let's look at the buying matrix. If your budget is strictly under $1,000, look at the Bosch 100 or 300 series. You get the quiet performance and the core Bosch reliability, but you'll have to towel dry your plastics. If you want bone-dry plastics and you value a kitchen that stays quiet during a dinner party, the 800 series is the standard. For most households, the 800 series is the definitive sweet spot. It provides luxury drying performance without the four-figure price tag of an ultra-premium brand. But if you are a buy-it-for-life buyer who views an appliance as a 20-year investment, there is a different path. That path leads to Miele. Miele earns its 20-year lifespan by utilizing commercial-grade motors and heavy-gauge stainless steel components designed to survive 10,000 hours of testing, double the standard cycle life of mass-market brands. While Bosch builds for the modern consumer, Miele builds for mechanical endurance. Finally, if you refuse to clean a mesh filter or you can't wait 2 hours for a load of laundry or dishes, the chart is clear. Avoid European brands entirely. If you aren't willing to manage the maintenance, these high-efficiency machines will only lead to expensive service calls and buyer's remorse. Every appliance purchase today is a trade-off between power and precision. Modern design has shifted away from the high-power, high-noise motors of the past. To meet energy standards, machines now rely on passive filtration and longer cycles that prioritize conservation over raw speed. When you choose a brand like Bosch or Miele, you aren't just buying a machine. You are choosing to live with a more efficient, quieter, and ultimately more demanding household lifestyle.